Heavy Yard Locals again. We got some new packs to open here. Figured I'd show off this awesome Magic the Gathering mat for the Planeswalkers on their Friday nights. Got Chandra here representing. I know she's a Magic waifu. Got my Sun and Moon Dragon mat. Picked up a few years ago. And this is what I'll be opening the packs on. So, without further ado, I've got 5 pre-release kits to open for today's video. So let's get to it. Hoping I pull that Black Rose. Alright, so Sun Avalon, Dark Eye, Boojin Condescence, Exo Alliance, and the new Live Twin. Interesting. Set that aside. Big blows, it really does. And I like War Rocks. Some Albaz support, 1x1. This card is just weird, I don't get it. Maybe y'all can tell me why it's good. And the new Plunder guy. Dogmatic Calamity. I Meet You. Yamorimori. Springham's Brothers. And then Zexal Construction. This card's kind of good too. Be some interesting tech if you can figure out how to play it properly.
These 2 rows are the... Okay. You hear that, buddy? These 2 rows are all the new cards.
Another Throne. Novel support. Scrap Boy. Hey, another one. This card's $25-30 bucks.
Wow.
Yeah, I pulled one of those yesterday too.
Was that you?
Yes, sir.
What do you do on your phone? Or like, what do you?
I'm recording the pack opening. There's
And then you post it.
Exact. See, that's why. That's why I'm doing this. That's exactly why.
And you make money off of it?
You can. That's what I'm trying to do. It's like a sort of a side hustle.
That's what I would love to do if I could.
Yeah, man. There's no time like the present, man. Just go ahead and hop into it.
Especially because they're such a high value right now.
Dude, man, everybody's got money right now because of this.
Stimulus?
Yeah, for lack of better terms. So, I mean, I'm no different.
Same way, man. I was eating dinner with a guy last night, and he was like, "Oh yeah, I'm doing this, that, and the other because I got all this money."
Right? But use it while you got it, because, you know, inflation makes it worth less every day.
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. On to the second kit. Where's my rubber band? There it is. All right. S-Force. Okay, I've seen this guy before. When is somebody going to do anything with this archetype?
Hey, buddy. How you doing? All right. No, individual cards. All individual. Any individual card.
What's going on, man?
Hey, what's up, man?
Secrets. Supers. Right. Focusing. There we go. Got a play set of Scrap Boy. Hey, Bear Brum. Okay. That's the decent pull right there. That's the first one I've ever seen anybody pull, too.
Will you sell those?
If people want to buy them, sure. If I'm not playing them, I mean, it's just value you're sitting on. Unless you want to try and speculate and think the card will jump up, because it's happened a few times where I let a card go and then next week or 2 weeks later it's doubled. And I'm like, I just let that go, man. That's lost money right there, but it is what it is.
It's like the stock market. It's all a gamble.
Yeah, the shiny ones, the secret rares are usually the most expensive. Hoping to pull one of these collector's rare, Starlight rares. Oh, Book of Lunar Eclipse. That's another $15, $20. All right.
Where's the one you're talking about buying now? No,
Actually, I think that Book of Lunar Eclipse yesterday was 13, but I have a feeling it's going to go up in price.
Oh yeah, that right there. And $2 15.
What's happening, Vic?
Playing good?
Oh, I pulled another ticket.
And a book.
And another book. Yes, I did. Yes, and I got this Garden Rose. She's actually pretty good. I like her effect.
Who?
Garden Rose Flora.
Oh, yeah.
I really do like her effect. You can play her outside of plant decks. And I
Which
pulled a
one?
Bear Brom.
Nice. I got my two.
Oh, you got Bear Brom?
Yep.
Okay, nice. You gonna do anything with it?
Sorry, Brigade.
Are you actually gonna make it?
Hey, if I want to spend my knowledge, I gotta play different decks.
Yeah, I hear you. That's the only way to go, man.
Like Frozen.
Like what?
Frozen.
I don't know Disney. I'm good on that.
Wow.
Not a Disney person, man.
I thought you gonna know the. Go put Poison Attic yet?
I hope so.
Not like
Got the new Cybers Rank 4. Interesting card.
Hey, Mario.
And Mr. Beef is here. On to the third kit.
I think the book might be good too.
Oh, the book is going to be great. I have a feeling that card is going to go up in price soon. You already got a playset of it?
Yep.
Nice. Another Windtoad. I've got all the War Rocks, so... I literally got like playsets of everything but Meteor gone yesterday. Like I only found 4 or 5 of them. Yeah, the secret. Like I can only find 4 or 5 of them.
No, I'm gonna buy
And it's $10 a piece.
I see how bad my luck is.
Vic, you don't have bad luck. You have everybody else's luck in the shop put together, and we just pick up the crumbs and hope we can pull something.
What are you guys, ants?
Compared to your luck, yes, we are. We're nothing but ants.
Yes. I'm not.
Got another rank up.
I'm just good at guessing.
Yeah, like how you and Cody was like, hey, pull this pack off this side. If it's a secret, go to the other side and pull this pack, and they're both secrets.
Hey, try some upside down one.
Anything to switch it up, right? I got another amazing time ticket and Book of Lunar Eclipse, and the new Live Twin. Aside from that, nah, not really.
You pick one, I'll pick
I got another Albion Dragon.
what, particular one?
Nah, the fusion. Well, they're all fusions. The red one, the branded dragon. I want that black one, man. That black one looks sick. All right, that's what I'm trying for, man. That's the money card in here.
Gio, the only color I want the most to keep
Proof or
is
proofless?
Black Rose.
You said what?
Black Rose I want to keep.
Well, yeah, obviously. That card is a piece of Yu-Gi-Oh history, man.
Spring game.
You should definitely upload, record and upload.
Okay.
Missing out on an opportunity, man.
Alright, there. I'll take one of that.
Hey, I got the traffic car one.
The what? Oh, nice.
Right behind that.
Another Rocks Rose Dragon.
Yeah, one more up. Right there.
Oh, okay.
Got the sun magician.
The what?
Not a blood rose, this one?
What is that?
It's got that summon a spellcaster with 15 defense.
Oh yeah, Eda the Sun Magician. That's right. I've heard of that. Don't quite know what she does. Hey, I need that. I need that. Give me get that card, dude. That's the secret rare. Yeah, the War Rock secret rare. Hey, I pulled another cover card. Nice.
Wow, I'm the one who stole your war rock this time.
Yeah, you stealing on my freaking pulling luck, man. All right, Vic, let me get that card, man. I need it for my War Rocks, man. Let's go.
I got the walk on my side.
The what?
The walk.
What the heck is that?
The walk. Say the walk.
Oh.
Kevin was telling me they had something to tell y'all when I got there. They'd like reach you forever or something.
I used to play a bunch of them when I was back in the day.
I get.
Another S-Force guy.
I feel like when you see a secret monster, your heart just go racing up.
Wow.
No, because you can get a chance to start like.
That'd be great. Obviously, that'd be great. The greatest thing to pull.
Let me pull so many times.
Huh?
I pull so many solid rare from different.
We know, Vic.
I know.
We know.
The only side I didn't pull it from is Legend Lewis.
We're well aware. We're well aware that you have the luck of the gods. We get it.
That was God.
You don't have to be. You have all their luck. When so? Yeah, I got a bunch of those. Hey, another Bear Brom. Okay, cool.
Come on, pull us over, Gio.
Yeah, you ain't lying. That's what I'm going for.
I
I wanted to buy another box, but everybody bought them yesterday.
I just bought it because I want to do the research.
I was just like, yeah, it's another set. I'll invest. Hey, I pulled a Sun Magician.
Is that your only copy?
Yeah.
Wow.
Especially some of the spellcaster at 15 defense. It has to have exactly 15? What? That card seems kind of overrated, to be honest.
15.
Yeah, it has to be exactly 15.
I heard 13.
I pulled this card, which is like 13, and this card I pulled yesterday, it's like 20 something.
Oh, okay.
So
I pulled a secret rare.
I still got another kit to go through. Say what?
How's it going?
Yeah, you pulled the secret rare I want. Let me get it.
Don, I got his war rock here.
I'm serious, Vic. Let me get that card.
I'm holding him hostage.
Yeah, come on, Vic. Stop being stingy.
Okay, in the showcase, any individual call.
Oh yeah, you still trying to get those cards for me too?
Another Torfune.
No.
Say what?
If they track in the card.
Oh, we'll see. Wasn't expecting them to be, or the Infinity Track to be so expensive. He's pretty much been expensive since he got printed. Remember I told you I bought the entire archetype before it got
The
released.
only thing that can get that. Okay, this can summon this right here. 15 defense here.
What is that?
Outer Queen, level 7.
A Lower Queen? Nobody plays her.
Other guys,
A Lower Queen is bad.
this
That's
one
just...
here too.
Which one? An Altergeist? Well, yeah. I guess
one.
that's good.
Oh,
What
yeah.
Altergeist is it?
This tuna.
What is that?
The weird from set from the. You just call card a lower floor, lower in your graveyard spell summon, but it's defensible and if I negate, but you can't spell summon except for synchro.
Yeah.
Oh wow! You can spell summon this card.
What card? Where are you getting all this information from?
Oh, Yu-Gi-Oh! Price.
So what, it looks up the effect? Oh, you just looked up anything with 15 defense. Oh, interesting.
The Charmers.
Well, I mean, that's the Charmers, yeah. That's not bad that it can summon a Altergeist. That might actually come in handy.
Let's see if they can summon Pendulum.
Another Dark Infants.
But still, D-shifter though.
I don't like D-Shifter. He only really works on turn 0. That's just not good.
Dominica.
What's that? Oh, it summons. Oh, it summons D-Shifter and it summons that dark.
Or at
Interesting.
least, yeah.
Wow, that's interesting.
And this
I wonder if anybody will
Iron-
actually check that.
Iron Fist.
Got another Light Charmer. Two packs left.
You don't want to actually be submitting this.
I'm actually thinking about buying another set of kits.
Oh wow,
grief.
Gravekeeper. Assassin in.
Oh, that's the guy with the Japanese stress name on Discord that nobody can translate. That he purposely made it so people can't pronounce his name. What the heck, man?
I changed it now.
I got a playset of this guy now. What the heck?
Oh, you got Lunar Eclipse.
Yes, I pulled that when I bought it.
Yeah.
I traded for another one yesterday.
You get some Gravekeepers.
Stop. Nobody plays Gravekeepers in 2021 unless your name is Daniel.
Yo, I was about to.
Last pack, ladies and gentlemen. What am I going to pull?
Oh wow.
Something good.
Hey. Check it. Green Turtle Summoner.
The freaking Empowered Warrior monsters. Nobody plays those. They weren't even played when they were printed. Oh, there was only one of them that actually saw play. And he's really not that
Wow. Very lately.
good. And I've got Reliona the Wondrous Megistus Witch Wardrobe. Never heard of this card.
Yeah, you did.
But it's Megistus support, so yeah. And that's it for the kits. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Didn't pull what I wanted to pull. And Vic got the card that I was trying to get.
Hey.
But it is what it is.
Hey, you came back.
And I'll see y'all next time. Synchro Menace signing off.